As far as major hurricanes, quite a few years without major hurricanes. In fact, 33 years we did not see a major hurricane in the GOMR area that I spoke of. And there's one interesting fact to note here. You'll notice that over the last few years, starting in 2009 till present, until last year, we have not had a major hurricane in the GOMR. In fact, the last one was Hurricane Gustav back in 2008. It was a major hurricane as it approached the southern portions of the lease areas. Fortunately, by the time it reached the Louisiana coast, it was a Category 2. It had weakened some. But nevertheless, that was the last Cat 3 that was in the GOMR. But I would be remiss if I didn't point out that Hurricane Carl in September of 2010, which was south of 20 North in the Bay of Campeche, was also a major hurricane. So technically, the Gulf did have a major hurricane in 2010, but it wasn't in the GOMR that we're using to define the area that we're talking about this morning. So 33 years with no major hurricanes. You can see that the mean number there is about 0.71 per year. The median number is 0 and the mode is also 0. The annual probability of greater than 0, about even, 51%. And the return period is about every 1.96 years. So you can see a lot of those years in there we didn't have any major hurricanes in the Gulf. And in fact, there were a couple of periods here in the early 70s and also again around the late 80s to early 90s where we went through 3 years, as well as the middle 90s, 3 years without any activity. But by the time we reach the 2009 to 2012 season, this is the longest, again, that the GOMR has gone without activity.